how chatbot was built and who made it. When OpenAI debuted ChatGPT in late November 2022 with little fanfare, the San Francisco-based artificial intelligence startup had low expectations. Nobody at OpenAI was expecting such a massive viral success. Since then, the company has been rushing to catch up and capitalize on its success. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll describe how the chatbot was created and who created it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. According to Sandini Agarwal, who works on policy at OpenAI, it was considered internally as a research preview, a tease of a more refined version of a 2-year-old technology, and more importantly, an effort to iron out some of its shortcomings via public input. We didn't want to oversell, and it's a great fundamental improvement, explains Liam Fetus, an OpenAI scientist who worked on ChatGPT. OpenAI has already upgraded ChatGPT numerous times since November to prevent ChatGPT from misbehaving. The researchers use a method known as adversarial training. Several chatbots are pitted against one another in this work. One chatbot plays the adversary and assaults another chatbot by creating text to get it to deviate from its typical limitations and make undesirable replies. Successful attacks are contributed to the training data of ChatGPT in the expectation that it would learn to disregard them. OpenAI has also announced a collaboration with Bain, a multinational management consulting business, which wants to employ OpenAI's generative AI models in marketing campaigns for its customers, including Coca-Cola. Outside of OpenAI, the enthusiasm around ChatGPT has sparked yet another gold rush around huge language models, with firms and investors from all over the globe getting in on the action. According to some estimations, it's the fastest growing internet service ever, reaching 100 million members only 2 months after its introduction in January. The technology is already included in Microsoft's Office program and the Bing search engine, thanks to a $10 billion partnership with OpenAI. Google is hastening the introduction of its chatbot, LaMDA, in response to its suddenly awakened one-timer competition in the war of search. ChatGPT conversation has taken over my family's WhatsApp. Yet, OpenAI's breakthrough hit did not happen by chance. The chatbot is the most refined incarnation in a long series of massive language models. This is how we get here. 1980s to 90s, recurrent neural networks. ChatGPT is a fork of GPT-3, a vast language model built by OpenAI as well. Linguistic models are neural networks trained on massive amounts of text. Since the text comprises variable lengths of letters and words, language models need a neural network to make sense of that input type. Recurrent neural networks created in the 1980s can handle word sequences but are challenging to train and may forget the last words in a series. Sepp Hochreiter and Jürgen Schmid-Huber, computer scientists, rectified this in 1997 by creating long short-term memory networks. Recurrent neural networks with particular components that enabled previous data in an input sequence to be kept for longer, while LSTMs could handle text strings of several hundred words. Their language abilities were limited. GPT and GPT-2 for 2018 to 2019. The first two big language models from OpenAI were released only a few months apart. The company's objective is to create multi-skilled general-purpose AI, and huge language models are essential in that direction. Generative Pre-trained Transformer established a precedent by outperforming state-of-the-art benchmarks for natural language processing at the time. But it was GPT-2 that made the most noise. Since OpenAI was afraid that individuals might use GPT-2 to create false, prejudiced, or offensive language, it decided not to release the whole model of how things have changed. 2020, GPT-3. GPT-2 was remarkable, but OpenAI's GPT-3 follow-up left everyone speechless. Its capacity to create human-like text was a significant advancement. GPT-3 can answer inquiries, summarize papers, produce tales in various formats, and translate between English, French, Spanish, and Japanese, among other things. The resemblance is uncanny, yet training on text from the internet introduces other issues. GPT-3 absorbed and replicated much of this misinformation and bigotry it encountered online. ChatGPT in December 2022. Even OpenAI is astounded by how well ChatGPT has been welcomed. The business promoted ChatGPT as an incremental improvement to Instruct GPT in its initial demo, which it offered me the day before it went live online. ChatGPT, like that model, was taught using reinforcement learning on input from human testers who rated its performance as smooth, accurate, and inoffensive. In effect, OpenAI taught GPT-3 how to play the game of communication and encouraged everyone to join it. Millions of people have been playing since then. That concludes our video. We'll be back shortly with another educational video. Don't forget to like and share. Share this video. Until next time.